Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the total 3 Edu submission website where we can submit our backlink, our website backlink, and then we can get a Edu, we can get backlink from the Edu websites. Okay, so total I have total 3 websites. Okay, so now what we can do a commenting on the Edu submission website. Okay, so first you guys have to uh, generate your topic, then you can submit your comments, your content on the comments box. Okay, so you have to click for the jump to comment form, then you have to copy your these tags. So uh, you have to create these tags. Okay, HTML link tag, then you have to paste it over there, and then you can verify your robot, then you can publish your comment. Okay, so you have to see this, guys. Your comment has been saved. It may take a moment for a comment to appear on this site. Okay, so the first website it will be done, then we can move forward for the next second one. So so you have to also the same thing you can do on that website also, and you have to publish your comment on that website. Okay, so our comment is successfully published now in this website. Okay, and we can move forward for the third one. So third one, you have to add your name, email, and your URL, and you have to share your thoughts. Okay, so in the comment section we can add some comments. It's a very valuable. So that kind of comment you have to share on the. Okay, on the comment section. So once you have to do done this activity, so then you have to send for the post, then you have to click for the post button. Okay, so so you have to receive, we have received the indication from that website. The messages, thank you for your commenting, and then we have received and held. Okay, so once the website moderator can allow your comments, then you guys are able to get a backlink from Edu submission website. Okay guys, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. If you don't if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please, it's my request, so you have to subscribe my channel. And if you have anything concern and suggestion for me, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys also want to connect with me on a social media, so also I can provide my social channels, my personal social channels on a description section. So you have to DM me. And if you guys have anything concern, any suggestion, any doubt, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And once again, guys, thanks for the watching, guys. And if you are comfortable to subscribe my channel, so you have to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.